In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Shopify store can't accept payments right now. If your Shopify store is showing that it cannot accept payments right now, the most common reason is that the store is still running on a free trial. A free trial is useful for building your store, testing your design, and setting things up, but it does not allow you to process real customer transactions until you activate a paid subscription. So if customers are reaching checkout but cannot complete payment, this is the first thing you should verify. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Make sure you are signing into the correct store, especially if you manage more than one account. Once you are inside the admin dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is the gear icon, and it will take you to the main area where your store configuration and account details are managed. Inside Settings, click on Plan. This section shows the current status of your Shopify subscription. Here, you need to confirm whether your store already has a live subscription active. If you see that the store is still on a free trial, that means Shopify will not allow real customer payments yet. In that case, you will need to activate a paid plan before your store can begin accepting transactions normally. To do that, select Pick a Plan. Shopify will then guide you through choosing an active subscription tier. You will also need to enter your billing details to complete the setup. Follow the prompts carefully and make sure the subscription is successfully activated. Once your plan is live, your store should be able to accept real customer payments, assuming the rest of your payment setup is already in place. As a helpful tip, after activating the plan, give the system a moment to update and then return to your admin to confirm that the subscription now shows as active. This helps ensure the change has gone through properly. If the store was blocked only because of the free trial status, this should resolve the issue. The key thing to remember is that a Shopify store cannot accept real customer transactions while it is running strictly on a free trial layout. Activating a paid plan is what unlocks live selling functionality. That covers everything you need to know.